This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to study biology effectively Class 12, updated. Start by mapping your syllabus into weekly modules and set realistic, specific goals for each session. Use active reading and highlight key terms, then rewrite them in your own words to strengthen recall. Schedule short daily review bursts and a longer weekly review to connect topics. Stay consistent and adjust your plan based on practice test results and confidence levels. Use active techniques that make biology stick, like turning headings into questions and answering them aloud. Sketch and label every diagram by hand to cement structures and processes. Explain topics to a study partner or to an imaginary student to find gaps and refine explanations. Mix short practice quizzes into study sessions and use flashcards for key terms. Keep sessions focused and varied to maintain interest and long-term retention. If you're finding this video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: stay hydrated during long study marathons with the Owala water bottle, which keeps drinks cold and fits cup holders perfectly. I like how it prevents interruptions and helps maintain focus between chapters. Check the description for the link and other deals to grab one if you want. Now let's get back to the video. Prioritize past papers and mock tests to sharpen timing and question handling. Learn how to respond to command words such as explain, compare, and describe, and structure answers with clear introductions and conclusions. Create concise one-page summaries for each chapter to use in last-minute reviews. Focus on diagram accuracy and labeling, since that often yields marks. Balance speed with clarity to maximize points on test day.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.